Hello everyone. In this video today we are looking at luxury real estate tours. Discover the world of high-end living. Luxury real estate is more than just a property. It's a lifestyle. From stunning architectural designs to bespoke amenities, these high-end homes are the epitome of elegance and sophistication. In this video, we will dive into the allure of luxury real estate. We will showcase some unique features that set these properties apart and explain how luxury real estate tours offer a glimpse into an extraordinary world of comfort and prestige. What makes a property luxury? Luxury real estate is defined by its exclusivity, prime location, and exceptional features. These homes are typically located in affluent neighborhoods, waterfront areas, or places with breathtaking views. These are some key attributes of luxury real estate. Number one is architectural masterpiece. Number two is high-end materials that are used in the construction, imported marble, exotic woods, and state-of-the-art finishes. We also have bespoke amenities, infinity pools, private cinemas, wine cellars, and smart home automation. Then there's also privacy and security, gated communities, advanced surveillance systems, and large private spaces. These are some attributes of luxury real estate homes. Now, let's talk about the experience of luxury real estate tours. Luxury real estate tours are curated experiences designed to captivate potential buyers or enthusiasts. Here is what to expect. Number one thing to expect from a luxury real estate tour is personalized showings, tailored tours focusing on the buyer's preferences. We also have virtual tours. In virtual tours, we're talking about high definition 3D walkthroughs and drone footage for remote viewing. Number three is highlighting features, attention to architectural details, unique amenities, and the property's history. Number four is professional staging. Homes are impeccably styled to create an inviting atmosphere. Now, let's talk about the unique features in luxury properties. Every luxury home tells a story. Here are some remarkable features, often highlighted during tours. Custom interiors, designed by top interior designers, featuring one-of-a-kind furnishings. Outdoor escapes, expansive gardens, rooftop terraces, and outdoor kitchens. Wellness spaces. Some homes have gyms, saunas, and spa-like bathrooms. We also have unmatched views, panoramic cityscapes, mountain vistas, or oceanfront horizons. Then the next one is sustainability. Eco-friendly designs with solar panels and energy-efficient systems. Now, how luxury real estate tours benefit buyers. Luxury real estate tours are not just about viewing properties. They are about envisioning a lifestyle. Buyers gain detailed insights, a comprehensive understanding of what makes each property unique, emotional connection, the opportunity to manage or to imagine life within the home. Then we also have market understanding, knowledge of high-end property trends and pricing. Then we have virtual luxury real estate tours, a digital revolution. With advancements in technology, virtual tours have become a game changer for the luxury market. Benefits of luxury real estate include accessibility. View properties from anywhere in the world when you have virtual luxury real estate tours. Then immersive experience, high quality visuals, and interactive features. Then we also have convenience. It saves time by narrowing down options before in-person visits. Now, worldwide, we want to look at the top location for luxury real estate. Certain destinations are synonymous with opulence. Some of the most sought after luxury real estate markets include New York City, Los Angeles, Dubai, Paris, Cape Town. In each country, there are different luxury real estate environments or locations. For instance, in Nigeria, we have Lagos, Abuja, Port Harcourt, and many other places like that in the country. So in any country that you are, look at the prime locations and position your luxury real estate. Now, sometimes some people don't just position it in these prime locations. They look out for some locations that are not prime and they build the real estate, the luxury real estate in those locations, and then make them prime. An example is the Obudu Cattle Ranch in Nigeria, where that place was not existing that way before, but a governor came and he transformed the place, and that made investors to make it a destination for their investments and for their real estate and their luxury real estate. Now, let's look at investing in luxury real estate. For investors, luxury properties offer significant advantages. It offers high returns, appreciation in value over time. Then there's also rental opportunities, premium prices for short-term and long-term rentals. Then asset diversification is also involved, a stable addition to any investment portfolio. So, luxury real estate tours provide a window into the most exquisite homes worldwide, blending comfort, elegance, and functionality. Whether you are a buyer, an investor, or an enthusiast, these tours allow you to explore unique properties that redefine modern living with advanced virtual tools and a focus on customer experience. Accessing the luxury real estate market has never been more exciting. This is Dr. Louis Gaditutun TV, and I have been talking to you in the last 7 to 8 minutes. Now, if you are new to this channel, please go ahead and subscribe to this channel, like this video, share the link of this video, and drop your comment and question in the comment section below. I am going to talk to you in the next one, but before then, this video that is popping up for my channel is the next you should go and see now. I'm going to see you in the next one, but please make sure you take note of everything I have said in this video. Take action. Action takers are favored by the goddess of good luck. So take action today and you'll be glad you did. Go ahead and watch this next video that is showing from my channel. See you in the next one. Bye.